Have you ever tried selecting an object in Blender, but you keep accidentally selecting something else instead? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock an object from selection in Blender so you can work without constantly grabbing the wrong object. First, look at the Outliner panel, which is usually located in the top right corner of Blender. The Outliner lists every object in your scene. If you don't see a cursor icon column, you need to enable it. Click the filter icon at the top of the Outliner. Then enable selectable. Once this is enabled, you'll see a cursor arrow icon next to every object. Now simply click the cursor icon next to the object you want to lock. When the icon is disabled, that object can no longer be selected in the viewport. This is perfect for things like reference images, background objects, cameras or lights, finished models you don't want to accidentally move. If you ever need to edit the object again, just click the cursor icon again in the Outliner to re-enable selection. Now you know how to lock objects from selection in Blender. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more quick Blender tips and tutorials.